CLP leader Okram Ibobi has criticized the BJP government's alleged attacks on the constitution, citing the party's alleged dictatorial and coercive conduct that violates India's democracy and undermines citizens' rights. Speaking at the Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan Abhiyan launched at Congress Bhavan located at BT Road, Imphal, Ibobi accused the BJP of attempting to alter the constitution since 2014. He termed the campaign as a nationwide effort to counter these attempts. Ibobi also condemned Union Home Minister Amit Shah's alleged mockery of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar and attacks on Mahatma Gandhi, while calling for an end to the alleged dictatorial government in the upcoming assembly election.
Union government, state government, Masina hek lak padagidi karino moina ying ba miyeng payangi praja miyang yai phanaba Bharat ke praja singi yai phanaba or Manipur ke praja singi yai phanaba tawbira adi phaba itihas ka si kangkhong saidra amuhan na ige hairakadoribra Bharat ke samvidhan se amuhan na irasi hairakadoribra siguma tambangam daba kayama anticipate tawba laiba Congress party na democracy ki yumpham ni hairiba Election Commission gumba. Even with all due regard, Supreme Court gumba. Lairiba mayam institution mayam se. Masina singbasi muhoina loina kutting jalaga. Bharati Ganatantra ki uhan thok se masi lehel oidoba. Manipur sisu ujiksu kangkhong sayar ga lairi sahi anirom henjalaye. Sigumba mayam si koi bit na singna koi praja punamak maruina singna leiba woshino tamda leiba woshino koi khudimangna Congress mapangan kangkhal halabatata Bharat ki samvidhan protection piga doribani Bharat ki democracy hena mapangan kanana mo konaga doribani shanti waina leimina si hairgati Congress party natanati atopa party amta leiroi